Boom, boom, this is Kendra here. Welcome back to the channel. All right, everyone, we've got a new event up for Azure. The spring event is up. So we've got the Spring Festival, I believe is what it's called. So here's what we got, a full board here. We've got a bunch of tabs just like normal. This is a stacking game. I already played it once. It's pretty easy. Just basically you got a little conveyor belt that runs across. You get one, I'll show you here just briefly just to see what it is. You just got this little thing up here and you click on the screen, you know when you want to drop it, and then you just stack them on top of each other and keep doing it like that. You get one ticket a day. You can play it as many times as you want, but you only get one ticket to do it once a day. When you miss it 3 times, the event's over. So I already did that, and I got a stamp for it. So that's in the manager tower. Drawing board, drawing book. Now the way to get the paint here for this, this is if you're familiar with some of those books that you buy in the store and stuff where you can paint it and it shows you, based on the number what color to put. That's all this is, and you get one screen each day, and if you complete them all, you get Ann Shan. She's an elite Dragon Impri. I think I said that right. Imri or Impri ship. So you can get her from there if you complete that. You get the paints by completing missions. If you go back to your mission screen, these paints right here, as you spend oil running events and stuff, you claim some paints. So that's how you get your paints. It's pretty interesting. I've been doing quite a bit of stuff this morning here. There's a 3,000 oil in your for maintenance. 3,000 oil present in your email, so check that out. That give you a little bit of oil to get started. The event is up. The honorary Royal Maid event is up as well. This is basically just I'll run an easy one here for you real quick. You basically just choose your team. I'm choosing my HMS team, of course, to get to complete the 2 million that I need for my priority ship. So I'm using them for it. You can use whatever you want. Easy is pretty much basic. It's just they're level 20 ships or so. So I'm just running it. Just I'm going to run all the easy, and then I'll run all the hard. And normal, and then I'll be running the hard starting tomorrow. That's all I'll be running, and then as I get events tickets, I'll run the EX if I can beat the EX. I don't know. EX is shooting down pretty hard from what I got it, so I usually have an extremely difficult time completing the EX missions, but I'll give it a go. So yeah, so that's all that is. Pretty simple. Now the interesting thing about this is a server-based event, and just to show you, I've completed my Queen Elizabeth and Javelin retrofits. So both of those two, not Queen Elizabeth, Warspite and Javelin retrofits. So that's going to help out my team immensely. This is a server-based event. Okay, so the server that you're on, as everybody's totals adds up, and you can complete the events down here at the bottom. As you can see, we're at 97. My server's at 97%. So we're moving down. We were at 98 about an hour or so ago. So a lot of us have been running it. So it looks like our server is going to be pretty good. And as you complete the events, you get your gifts when you complete it. You get a high performance hydraulics here. So these are some pretty nice. You get some destroyer retrofits and some general part books. So it's pretty nice. So as you can see, it's moving down a little bit right here. So we'll be at 75% hopefully pretty soon. We're at 97 right now. So it's at the opposite end of the screen, by the way. They should have put this progress thing down here on the left over on the right, so it'd be a little bit easier to understand. But if you can see it right down there in the bottom, very far bottom right of the corner, it's come down a little bit to show that we're at 97%. But so this is not just you. This is your entire server. So I'm pretty sure all the servers are banging, so you shouldn't have any trouble completing that within the time frame. So that's back to the festival here. You got the manager resort. Now you get one of these as you complete as you do the Nanju Tower and as you complete some of the Monopoly, this is a Monopoly game just where you get 5 dice each day. You just roll your dice and you get on the board. You get some oil. You even get some gems. I've gotten 300 gems so far today, just playing these events. So this is definitely what you want to do if you need to get some gems. I mean, I'm almost up to 1,000. I got 814. I was only like 500 or 600 when I logged on this morning. So you do get gems from these events. So it's very, very important that you do everything each day because that's really a good way to get some gems. They got new outfits out, of course, as always. They did excellent, excellent outfits. And one of the rewards for completing the Emperor module here is you get a skin for I think it's for Fushan, I believe. Might be wrong on that, but there is a free skin available. Fushan's Great Adventure. There's another thing. You get if you can get her right here. Once you get this boss all the way down, basically you just try different combinations. I've just been using the combinations that work the most. You get seven tokens each day. So I've already done it once. So all 7 today, and I got that far down. So it shouldn't be any trouble being able to complete it well before the 5th of February, which is when this event ends. As you complete those events, you get stamps. And then once you get all the stamps, you'll be able to collect. This is a little collection here. This is Axo Frostal. That's the first one I completed. I got him completed today. There's a little tab here to explain exactly what's going on. So this is a spring event. Gift bags. They do actually have a lot of gems. I got 200 gems in my first gift bag, so I was extremely impressed with that. It's very nice that they're actually giving us. They're actually giving you gems, because that's good, because you can pick up outfits for the gems. So you got the drawing book here. So I assume I just click on A, and then you click on A, and yeah, see, it used up all of my gold. And there, see, all my gold's gone. Then I can do my B's, because I got 100 B. Where's B? B's right here. So click. Oh, I got to highlight. There you go, B, and click on all my B's. And 4 there, click on all my B's here. Okay, then you see you just have to go through, and there are little B's here. There's a B that's, it is just, and it'll make a picture, and once the picture's done, that's all for the day. And then tomorrow a new picture will be up. And once they're all done, you get Anshan. Okay, there's also a new, of course, event screen up under the light ships. You get these. I actually got extremely lucky and pulled Dido this morning when I did my daily pull. I was extremely happy with that. Let me show you Dido. Dido, she should be at the bottom here. Let's just do this. I got so many ships. I'm going to use some of those gems to increase my depot, or my dock space. So there she is, Dido. So I pulled her this morning. I was HMS ship. So it looks like she's got some pretty interesting skills. She increases firepower, TRP torpedo, and anti-air of all Dido class CLs. So that's nice. For the Queen, increase this ship's firepower, anti-air, and reload by 1.5 for every other Royal Navy. Oh, now that is an extremely good skill. And you can, when sorting with Queen Elizabeth. Now that that's a pretty interesting. That might, that's going to make it difficult. That might, that has some, that's definitely going to be a PvE. She's definitely going to be a PvE solution in my HMS fleet. With that for the Queen, that's pretty good, because I always run Queen Elizabeth. As you know, my main my HMS fleet is, I'm working on it right now. Right here, so that's interesting. I will or Spite. I've got her retrofitted, and Queen Elizabeth you always want to run for her skill as well. So I'm substituting Dido in for Hood might be something to look at. Not sure. Have to wait until I get her leveled up and see how she goes in there. But yeah, so that's in the event banner under your formation, uh, under your build. Sorry. So it's in the light, yeah, and then you got Biloxi, Gloucester, and Halsey Powell. So all these two are elite. That one's a rare, but so you definitely want to pull on this banner as you to get the ships, and so it definitely be some if you're lacking in HMS ships, or if you want to set up a special type of uh, just to get the HMS fleets that you need to get for your priority ship, then you might want to go and pull in that banner. But it looks pretty good. So that's it. So that's the spring event up, spring festival event. Run until the February 5th. So you got some plenty of time, and it looks to be interesting. So just keep focusing on it, and see what you get. And I'll of course put back an update as I complete these things and get the to show you to get the rewards and stuff to see what you get. So thanks a lot for watching. Just want to make a quick video on that. So go ahead and click a like on the video if you like it, and go ahead and click on the subscription button if you want to subscribe. So this is Ken Rear signing out.